Good morning, guys. Already, I'm going to start the section. And before launching, we are going to discuss this tomcat theory. We have already seen tomcat practical way, but we have to go for the theory today. Okay. Today we are going to be discuss about tomcat. Tomcat is a application server or deployment server. Tomcat is a application server or deployment server. Okay, or else web server. Okay, Tomcat default port number is 8080, guys. Tomcat default port number. Okay, Tomcat default port number is 8080. Okay, web server. Why we are going to call as a Tomcat as a web server? Because of our applications will be accessed via web browser. Okay, our applications will be accessed via web browser. Guys. That's what we are going to call as a application server or web server or deployment server. Like that, we are going to call Tomcat. Okay. See, Tomcat we are going to call as a deployment server also. Because why we are going to deployment server? See, I'm going to tell you. It is I already written. Okay. Before that, Tomcat is a Apache company, guys. Tomcat is developed by the Apache company only. And Maven also Apache, guys. But GitHub is Microsoft. Okay. Don't forget that thing. Okay. And see, why we are going to call as a deployment server? Because of, see, developer will be develop the code, okay? Developer will be develop the code in his local system, okay? Then he is going to push his code to remote repository. Remote repository is nothing but GitHub, guys, okay? Then after GitHub, we are going to clone that source code and we are going to do build, guys. We are going to do build by using as a maven tool, by using maven tool, okay? Why we are using maven tool here? Because of we are using as a Java based project. Because of we are going to use as a Java based project. After build, we are getting as a some packages. Yes. Some packages. Whatever packages will become war, jar, or year packages we are going to be get, guys. War means web archive, Java archive, and enterprise archive, guys. Okay, we're getting as a these packages we're getting after build. See, after getting build. Okay, after getting build, these packages we are going to copy under Tomcat, guys. Under Tomcat, we are going to copy. Last time we already seen in a practical way. Last time we are seen in practical way also. Where we are going to copy war or Java files, we are going to copy under web apps, guys. Under web apps. Okay, under web apps only we are going to be copy. Then only our application will be accessed, yes. Our application will be accessed by the end users. Then only our application will be accessed by the end users. Okay, that's why we are going to call as a web server or else sorry, deployment server. Or else we are going to call as a web server or deployment server. That's what we are going to call as a deployment or web server, guys. Okay. Tomcat supports Java, .NET, Python, like that. It will be supports around 50 plus languages, guys. Tomcat supports around Java, .NET, Python, like that. 50 plus softwares, it will be support, guys. 50 plus supports, 50 plus softwares, okay? 50 plus softwares, it will be supports, guys. And Tomcat supports both HTTP and HTTPS protocols. HTTP and HTTPS protocols, guys. What is HTTP? HTTP will be whenever we're going to be accessed via web, you can see any project, it will be start, it will be coming as a HTTPS, yes. HTTPS. Okay, another one is HTTP. What it is going to be called, you can see it here. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol, guys. Okay, that involves the communication between your web browser and web server. Okay, your browser and web server. Okay, to load the web pages and other resources. To load the web pages and other resources. See, this is the one web page. Google is the one web page. Okay, that's what we're going to see. If we're going to see you HTTPS, yes, nothing but with security, guys. With security, hypertext transfer protocol with security, guys, with the security version. Okay, with security version. That S means it is a security, guys. Okay, that S means it is a security with security and without security. See, every HTTP and HTTPS protocol, they have a default port numbers, guys. Like, see, here Tomcat we are using as a HTTP. Sorry, Tomcat we have a default port number 8080. Same like that, HTTP we have a 80 port number, guys. Okay, and HTTPS we have a 443, guys. Okay, 443. Okay, this means HTTP means without security. HTTPS means with the security, guys. How we are going to provide a security? By using as a SSL certificate link, guys. By using as a SSL certificate link uploaded. SSL certificate link uploaded in Tomcat. Then only we are going to provide our application security, guys. Okay, our application security. Okay. See how we are going to get this SSL certificate. See, there is a AWS control manager will be there. Okay, AWS control manager. That means your AWS admin people will be there, or else AWS manager will be there. Okay, it is going to be request to the cyber security team. So I want to upload. See, I want to SSL certificate to upload my Tomcat. Okay, my Tomcat web browser, like that. You are going to be raising on request to your cyber security team. Then they are going to be provide the SSL certificate to your email, guys. Your email. Okay. Then after that, we are getting this SSL certificate. We are going to be updated in Tomcat instance. In Tomcat instance. Tomcat instance means there is a Tomcat web server is there. Inside Tomcat web server, you are going to be upload this SSL certificate. Then only your website will be secure. Okay. Then only your website will be secure, guys. Okay. Then only your application will be accessed by the end user. Okay, with a security way. Okay, you see here, whenever you are installing Tomcat, you will get some important directories here, some important directories. Whenever you are going to be install this Tomcat, you are getting some important directories. What are all those directories? One is web apps, guys. One is web apps. Inside these web apps only, you are going to copy our var jar here files. Okay, inside these web apps only, we are going to be provide or copied. Okay, our var jar files, guys. Our var jar files we are going to copy under web apps, guys. Okay. Another one is we want to start or stop this Tomcat. We are going to use as a bin directory. Bin directory, guys. Okay, then only we are going to be start or stop our Tomcat service. Then only we are going to start or stop our Tomcat web service, guys. Okay. After that, configuration. Conf is nothing but configuration files. Conf is nothing but configuration files. Yes. In this directory, we have three different files. Yes. Three different files. One is server.xml file. Another one is web.xml file. Another one is Tomcat users.xml file. Yes. Another one is Tomcat user.xml file. See, what are the things we are going to provide this server.xml file, web.xml file, Tomcat user.xml file. I will show you. Okay. Don't worry about it. Another one is we have to provide some security to our Tomcat. Yes, some security to our Tomcat. In that, we are going to remove this value tag or allow tag, guys. This value tag or allow tag. Where it is available? Under this web apps only. Under this web apps, we have a manager and meta info. These two directories are available. After that, we have a context.xml file is there, guys. In that, we have to remove this value tag and allow tag, guys. Okay, then we have to provide our own SSL certificate security also. Okay, then coming to logs, guys. If you get any issues, we have to see that in Tomcat server there is a log directory will be available. Logs directory will be available, guys. Log directory will be available. Okay, after that we have one default directory, guys. One default directory. See, instead of EC2 user, we have a default user is Ubuntu, guys. Our default user is Ubuntu here. Okay, our default is Ubuntu. This is Apache Tomcat version, guys. Apache Tomcat version, guys. Okay, how to install Tomcat? All these steps will be there. We already seen this practically, guys. We already seen practically. Okay, we already seen practically how to install Tomcat, how to copy these web apps and everything, right? We already seen also. Another one is server.xml files. Inside server.xml file, what are the things it is available? One is, see, there is a default port number is there. I told you default port number 88. I told you default port number 8080. See, I don't want to run my web server as a default port number. My web server as a default port number, guys. So that I want to change the port number. So I have to enter into this server.xml file. Inside server.xml file, there is a port number will be there. Then you have to change. Okay, then you have to change, guys. Then I told you, see, you need to provide a security to your application. Okay, so you are going to upload your SSL certificate, guys. Your SSL certificate. Okay. See, here HTTPS discussed, right? See, there is a security. Okay, in your website, there is a security is there. Okay. Then we're going to be enter this server.xml file, which there your manager. Your manager means there is a AWS certification manager will be there. Okay, he is going to be provide that link SSL certificate. Then you are going to be copy this SSL certificate in this inside this file, guys. Inside this file. Another one is single sign-on, guys. Another one is single sign-on. This part will be taken care by the admin people, guys. This part will be taken care by the admin people. Okay, that type. Whoever Linux admin means Linux admin will be there. Windows administration means Windows admin also will be there. Where they are going to use these security alarms and these LDAP links. Okay, links. And these links will be provided to you guys. You means you are a DevOps engineer. Okay, they will provide some links to you. Then you are going to be add all these links inside this server.xml files. Server.xml file. Okay. Another one is tomcat users.xml file. You want to create a number of users in tomcat, okay, inside the company. You have to use this tomcat users.xml file. Yes. Users.xml file. Okay. Another one is you have a web.xml. Yes. Web.xml file means your source code file, guys. Your source code file, index.jsp. Okay. Like that, there is a different applications will be there. You can create. Okay. You have to paste it here. Yes. You have to paste it here. Okay. Another one is upgradation, guys. Another one is upgradation. How to upgrade your Tomcat 9 to 10. Your Tomcat 9 to 10, guys. But see, whenever you have a DevOps engineer SD level 1, level 2, you don't have a do the upgradation, guys. You don't have a do the upgradation. There is a SME engineer there. SME engineer will be there. Okay. In that SME engineers, they are going to be upgrade. They are going to be upgrade these instances and all those things. Okay. You don't have any right to upgrade, guys. But if anybody will be asked, just you can tell them, see, there is a SME engineers are already available. They are going to be taken care of the upgradation part. Okay. If anybody asks, I have seen that while they are upgrading, what are the steps they are followed? Those steps I already given here. Okay. Those steps I already given. Whenever you're going to be create a new instance for Tomcat, just you can log into the Tomcat, take a backup base. Take a backup. How you are going to be take a backup? Okay. There is a images will be there. AMI images. Okay. In that AMI images, we are going to take it as a via snapshots. While we are going to be discussed in AWS, that time I will show you guys how to take a backup in this entire server. The server means this instance. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. This is the thing only. After that, we are going to be delete like that. It is created. But I will tell you, don't worry, while discussing in AWS. Okay. See how to create a users this one. Okay. How to create a user this one. This one, how to start Tomcat service this one. This one, how to provide permissions to your Tomcat directory. Okay. That is these things. Okay. Okay. Today I'm going to be large practically. One more time, I will show you guys. I want two instances. One is maven, another one is tomcat. Okay. With security, we are going to be see here today. Okay. This will become automatically. Will be here. All traffic guys. Not valid. You might not know the tools on the account or region. Need to resolve. Okay, later I will do. I'll go take. Yeah, I'm going to take any other region. I'm going to be launching the instances, guys. Okay, please be observed. See, we already discussed all these things, how to launch these servers and all those things. Okay. Right, one is maven. Tomcat. I'm going to be connecting, guys. You are going to maven. I already logged, guys. Okay, now I'm going to be logging this Tomcat server also. Copying this IP address, public IP, and here I'm copying even as a U and PU. Will do, guys. First, where is I'm going to enter our private key. Okay, you guys. So it is asking. So I'm going to be giving accept. I'm going to be enter sudo hyphen I as a root user. Okay, going to be clear, guys. Okay. Okay. First, I'm going to be update apt update. Before that, what I have to do. See here, I'm going to be split this. APT update. Here also I'm going to give APT update. First, I'm going to be install maven, guys. Okay. I already shared these all documents to in your WhatsApp, guys. Okay. In our group, I already shared all these steps. Okay. Sudo apt I give it. Now I'm going to be install this Java, guys. Okay. I'm going to be install Java. So we have to download Apache from official website, guys. Okay. This is the thing. From to copy this thing, maven. I'm going to be installed here. So now it is installing this thing. Java is installing, guys. Okay. So I want to see Java. One version, guys. One version. Here it is installed. Here also you can see Java and F1 version. Okay. Both of 21 is installed. Okay. I'm going to be clear, guys. I'm going to be clear. So first I'm going to be install here maven, guys. Okay. So, then what are the steps here I given after maven installation? Going to be copy these things. Okay. Then I'm going to then copy this also. Okay. Then it will be enter. You are going to be enter this entire paths. Okay. These are our default paths, guys. Okay. Why we are doing all these things, guys? Here we are the admin team or application team only. Okay. That's what we are going to be launch these servers and we are going to be install all these softwares and everything. Okay. But inside company, it is already set up, guys. It is already set up. Okay. Control O, enter, Control X. Okay. Have to be save the file like that. Okay. That is nano, guys. Now you're going to give as a permission. That means execution. Okay. So I'm going to execute. Okay. So after that, I'm going to be change the path without restarting. Here I already written, guys. You can see here. See any applies you have to change without rebooting. We are going to do these things. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to check that man has been installed or not. See, maven has been installed, guys. Okay. Now, Git is there or not? I'm going to be version, guys. I can find version. See, Git already. I want to do Git clone, guys. Git space LYNE clone. Okay. Git clone space. I need to give my project URL, guys. My project URL. Okay. My web. Going to be copy my web. Or else I will take another project. I will take another project. Go to repositories. Project demo dummy is there. It is an address book project, guys. Demo dummy means here it is already written address book. Our application will be shows like this way only. Okay. I'm going to be copy this project. Now we are doing as a manual way, guys. Now we are doing as a manual way. Okay. Now I'm going to be project has been cloned or not. You can check. Project has been cloned. CD dot C. Listen. See, it is a pom.xml file is there. It is there. Maven always looks for pom.xml file. Guys. Okay, now I'm going to maven clean package, guys. Package. Up to now, we're going to be install here tomcat, guys. Then tomcat you need to install means you can go to tomcat website. Tomcat website. Guys. So go to tomcat website. Go to tomcat. Go to downloads. There is a tomcat 9, guys. Here is a .widget is there. Then copy the link. I'm going to be here from wget only because of I'm taking the via web. That's what wget is. Unless you can see tomcat has been. See now I want to do untar, guys. Now I want to do untar. Tar hyphen xvjdf. Watch it now. So now it is came or not. Can see here. It is came, right? See, I want to give full permissions. Chmod, full permissions. 7. What is the default directories? Is there? You can see here. Yes, please. CD Apache Tomcat. Can enter plus space LA. You can see here automatically bin. Bin means what I told you. See there? Start or stop of your Tomcat web server, guys. See here, I already written these directories automatically it will become. Okay. See here, log files, these web apps. Okay, these configuration files and libraries, temporary files, license, configuration.md files, building.txt. Everything automatically default directories will become. But we have a only 4 directories are very, very important. One is logs, another one is bin, another one is conf, another one is web apps. Okay. So I'm going to give web apps full permissions. It's more. Web apps, guys. Okay. See, I told you we have a tomcat. Okay, we have a tomcat. Allow tag or value tag. Okay, we have to remove allow tag or value tag. So see, if you want to remove means there is a some of the directories will be there. See, after I'm going to be CD web apps. Okay, ls. There is a manager. You can see here, manager will be there. CD manager. After the CD meta info, guys. Inside meta info, there is a context.xml file is there. You can see context.xml file. Okay, VA space. So, because I'm going to be remove this one, then you have to be very good clarity. Okay. See here, allow value tag or allow tag, both are there. Okay. Whenever you remove this thing only, you have to provide the security to your Tomcat web server. Okay. See, I'm going to be removing escape. See, I want to enter. Okay. See, automatically it remove. Escape double. Okay. Now escape shift colon WQ, guys. Okay. It is going to be file has been saved. Okay. File has been saved. Okay. So I want to come back means see here. I want to come back to CD space double dot. At a time I'm coming back, guys. At a time I'm coming back. Okay, you can see here. Okay. So value tag, allow tag, I already removed. Now I removed. Okay. This is the logs file. Okay. Now I want to add the users, guys. I want to add the users. See, I already put the security. This user only can access this server. Okay. So I want to give the users, guys. So I want to enter into this Tomcat user.file. It is available in conf directory. Okay. So I'm going to be cd space conf. tell us. You can see tomcat.xml file is tomcat-users.xml file. vi space tomcat xml. Why it is came X after that it is not came? Because there is a two files will be there. Okay. One is XSD, tomcat-XSD. Another one is XML file. Okay. We need a XML file. So I went to XML file. So I want to enter tomcat users guys. Okay. When you come to down guys, come to last only. Okay. Then if you can see here, there is a role name, role name. Okay. User and username is there. Okay. First three lines you have to copy, guys. First three lines you have to copy and modify as per your requirement. As per your requirement. See, I already modified here. See here. I given manager-GUI, manager-script. See, what is my username is here? Tomcat, guys. What is my username is Tomcat. Another one is password. Okay, password is also my Tomcat only. Another one is which is I given here manager-GUI, manager-secret. I written same things here. So I'm going to be copy this file. Okay, going to be copy this file. See, for these first three lines only, guys. These first three lines only you can copy and you can modify as per your requirement. So you want to edit the file means you have to insert this one. VI file, guys, this one. Okay, we already discussed it in Linux 10. So I'm going to be enter here. I'm going to be pasted. See here it is asking, shall I paste or not like that? Okay, are you sure you want to continue? Okay, I'm going to be continue, guys. Okay. First, I'm going to alignment. Okay. Alignment is very, very important. Okay, so now I want to save this file. Escape, shift colon WQ, guys. Escape, escape, shift colon WQ, guys. Escape, shift colon WQ. Okay, I'm going to be add this role name, GUI, script, Tomcat, my username and password. Same thing only. Okay. Enter. Okay. Save, guys. Okay, now I want to start my Tomcat, guys. Now I want to start my Tomcat. So see here, I want to go back, cd space, full dot. I want to go to cd bin directory, guys. Cd bin directory. Then only I'm going to be start. Okay. See now here, Tomcat has been started. See now I'm going to be started Tomcat. Tomcat default port number is 8080, guys. Tomcat default port number is 8080. So I'm going to be copy this one. To see here, Tomcat need to become. Go to security. It is not fail means fail to the security groups. It is showing fail to the security groups. Okay. Right. It is something happened. See, I have to provide the security groups. Okay. I'm going to take it as a all traffic, guys. Okay. We're going to provide as a all traffic. Okay. It has been changed. Here is the tomcat. I'm going to copy this one. Paste it. What is the default port number is 8080, guys. If you can see this, Tomcat website has been came. So here is, if you can see here, manager app. Okay, manager app only we are changing and added also. Okay, we're changing and added our username also. Okay, so here going to be this manager app. What is the username? Tomcat, guys. What is the username? Tomcat. Password also Tomcat, guys. Tomcat. Never. See, if you can see here, your application is there. Still, we are not copy our application, guys. Still, we are not copy our application. See, if you want to copy our application, we have to do passwordless application. After that, we have to copy our packages to, okay, under web apps. Under web apps, we have to copy one server to another server. We are going to copy. What command we are going to use? We are going to use as a scp command. Okay, what command we are going to use in Linux? Scp command, guys. Okay. 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 Before that, I have to go to cd Apache, cd web apps, because I have to copy under web apps only. Okay, PWD. I'm going to be taking this path, guys. I'm going to be taking as a this path. Okay, I'm going to be clear PWD. Okay, that. See, packages are came or not, I will be checking here. ls-la. You can see here, target is came. Okay, build is success. If you can see here, build is success. Already done this build and all those things. See, all the test verification and everything is done, guys. Okay, everything is done this one. All the validation and test and everything it is done. This is a validation. If you can see here, release everything. Okay. If this package has been came or not, we will be checking. Packages where it will become under target only. Under target only. You can see here under target. See, if you can see here, address book.war. Address book. Okay. It is our application is address book, guys. Our application is address book. Okay, address book.war. Okay. I'm going to be clear this one. Okay. Going to be do this SSH configuration first. We don't have anything here. PWD I'm checking. SSH hyphen key gen hyphen T type of file system. Okay, RSA, guys. Enter. Enter. Yes. See this cd dot SSH. Okay, you can see there. Keys are created or not? Keys are created, guys. Keys are created. So cat space ID underscore dot RSA pub key, guys. Pub key. We have to copy this pub key. Where we have to copy? Yes. LA. Okay, there is a SSH is there. CD dot SSH, right? We already have some authorized keys. Yes. We have already authorized keys. Inside authorized key, there is a one key is there. Inside that key only, that key address only, we have to copy our public key, guys. See, I'm going to be copy. insert mode. This one. Starting this SH to this root. Okay. Copy. Okay, escape. Escape. Colon. WQ is the save, guys. WQ is the save. So now I want to do SH configuration, guys. In both systems, I have to do SH configuration. Okay. See, now I have to do this SH configuration. Okay. So there is a path is there SH configuration. VI is thing. Okay. See, all configuration files will be stored in /etc, guys. Okay. /etc only. When we discussed this one, starting class itself, we already discussed what are the file system and hierarchy system, what are the root files will be there, what are the root directories and everything. Okay. That time I already explained, guys. Okay. All configuration files will be stored in /etc. Okay. So I'm going to be in this. See, I'm going to be enter. So there is a pub key is there. Okay. I'm going to be this one. Pub key and password key is there. Both are SS. Escape. Escape. Colon WQ. I'm going to be save this file. Okay. Then I'm going to be restart also. So I have done this. Going to be clear the screen. See, now I have to do this SH configuration. So I have to be this. Going to be this path. After entering this path, I'm going to be removing this pub key and private. Pub key I remove. Another one is pass key, guys. Okay, I'm going to be save this file. Escape colon WQ. It is saved. So now I want to do restart also. I'm going to be restart this. Okay, I have done restarted both. Okay, now I want to connect one system to another system. It is success or not? Okay, how to connect? SH default user is root IP address, guys. The IP address. So I want to give this public. It is connecting, guys. So one server to another server, it is connecting, guys. Okay, it is connecting. If you can see, it is a 4445. It is a private IP of your tomcat server. See here, private IP of your tomcat server. It is connecting. Okay, now it is success. So I don't want to do this. I am exited. Okay, now I want to copy the files, guys. I want to copy the our package. Okay, addressbook.war package. I want to copy to from my maven server to tomcat server, guys. Here I am doing everything in manually, guys. Here I am doing in everything in manually. Okay. See, now I want to go to my project, guys. I want to go to in my project. CD space start. You can see here. And ls space. See, under target only it is there, right? Under target only it is there. Okay, what is the command? scp-r recursively, because it is a directory, guys. It is a recursively. Okay. Okay, what is that? Address book.var. Okay. Address book. root and the date. IP address, and I need a path also. Where is this path? I already copied, guys. Already keep it here like this. Okay. Path. Under web apps only, we have to copy. Connection should be closed. Okay, whatever. Ping, ping. Now, is pinging only. Okay. Going to be clear. Going to be cancel and clear. SCP-R. I'm going to be copying, guys. Where is this one? Let's place LA. This address book. Address book. User is root. And the date. What is your public IP? This is the public IP. So I'm going to be copy public IP and path is. I'm going to be copy the path. Path yes. This is the path. Okay, under web apps only. So this is the thing. Yeah, I'm going to be copy, guys. I'm going to copy one server to another server. Okay. We get this one. This is the okay, it is copied, guys. It is copied. Okay, 100%. If you can see here, 100%. Just before it is coming as a okay, not getting right. It is not getting. Now it is. If you can see here, before you are getting as a connection closed like that, right? Before you are getting as a connection closed. Okay. Now if you can see here, you have to give a proper path, guys. Proper path. Okay. Otherwise, it will be as a connection closed like that. Okay. If that file is came or not, we can check here. Okay. We will go for that path. Okay. CD Apache. Okay. CD web apps. SSLA. See here, address book is came. Address book is came. Okay, now I want to see in browser, guys. I want to see in browser. Okay, if that one is came or not. You can see here, address book is came. Okay, address book is came. So I'm going to be check this one. This is your application, guys. This is your application. Okay, this is your application, guys. Okay, this is your application. Okay, like that we are going to be deploy our application manually, guys. Like that we are going to be deploy our application manually. What we have done? See what we have done. This is a manual project like that. You can imagine. Okay, manual project like that. See what we have done, guys. Developer will be develop his code into his local laptop. Okay, his local laptop is going to be provide his code. Okay, then he is going to be push his code into the remote repository. Remote repository is nothing but GitHub, guys. Okay, by using build, we are going to be done the okay, we are going to be done the build. We are using as a maven tool. Okay, by using maven tool, we are done the build, guys. Okay, after build, what it will be happen? It will be provided as some packages. What type of packages? Var package we generated. After we get these var packages, we're going to be copy those packages into deployment server. What is our deployment server here? Tomcat. Tomcat. Our deployment server is Tomcat. Then only our application will be access to the end user. Our application will be access to the end user. For example, you can take that address book. Developer will be develop his code. Okay. Then he's going to be push his code into the remote repository. By using maven tool, we are going to be done the build, guys. Why we are doing this build? Because we are writing as our code into the human readable language. Human readable language, yes. That means spellings and all those things. This is a high language. Okay. Computer need to know the only zero or ones. It is a bytes or bits only. Computer need to understand that language. Okay. Then enter this code. We are going to do some compile. Yes, some compile. That time we need some tool. What is the tool? The tool called as a the tool called as a maven. Why you are going to take as a maven here? This is a Java based project, guys. Java based project. Okay, maven will be support only Java based projects only. Okay, that's what we are taking as a maven as a build tool. Then I have done that build. Enter code, I have done that build. After build, I'm getting as a some packages. What packages? var or jar packages. See, these var or jar packages are going to be copied under our Tomcat. Our Tomcat is here is a deployment server, guys. Our Tomcat is here is a deployment server or else web server, guys. Okay, or else web server. See, by using web server, we are going to be access our application. Our application is address book, guys. Our application is address book. See here. See, automatically user login this Tomcat automatically is going to be login. Okay. See, you want new contact, you can add first name, last name like that. If you go for any application, Flipkart, Amazon like that, it is asking also same thing only, right? You can add also here. Okay, it will be reflected here, guys. It will be reflected here. Okay, like this you have to do. And I have to show you one more things also. CD. Okay, I came. See, we have a some files, right? We have a some files. See, now I'm going to be this conf. Yes. You can see here, see, there is a Tomcat users server.xml and web.xml. See, if you want to change the port number, you have to go to here, US space. See here, server port number. Okay, server port number. You can change, guys. What are the port number you need? You can change here. Okay. Another one is see, this is our connector. Okay, this is the default port number 8080. You can change here. Okay. There also you can change, but you have to change everywhere. Okay, but this connector only we are using now HTTP connection, guys. Now we are using as a HTTP. Okay, that's what we have to change here. Okay, and there is a SSL certificate also will be there. See here, SSL config. Okay, whoever providing your manager will be provide SSL certificate to your web browser. You have to be add here, guys. You have to be add here. Okay. Another one is see there, here is a security re-alarms, guys. There is a security re-alarms. See, whoever administrator will be provide. Okay, whoever administrator will be provide this SSL certificate, single sign. Okay, security re-alarm. Any link they will provide. We have to be added in server.xml file only. Okay, if you want to change the port number, you have to be added here only. Okay, here only. Okay. After you added, you have to be stop and start your Tomcat web server, guys. What Tomcat web server? So here, I'm going to be change port number, for example. Going to be press I, guys. Okay, I'm going to be press I. Okay, going to be change 9625. Okay, 9625. Escape 9625 in this connector. Okay, escape colon W. I'm doing save. Then come back here. Okay, CD bin. I'm going to be stop, guys. Startup has been came, right? So I'm going to be shut down. I'm going to be shut down, guys. Okay. What I given shutdown.sh only, right? Not bad. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to be start, guys. Now I'm going to be see. Now I'm going to be check this one. It will become or not. See, site cannot be reached because of this port number. That's what I given as a all traffic there. Okay. That's what I given as a in security group all traffic. That means you can allow or deny any port number, guys. Any port number. Okay. So now I want to start. Now I want to start this Tomcat. Okay, this Tomcat server. See, Tomcat has been started. What port number I given? 9625. Okay, 9625. See, this one is came 9625 is came. Can go manager. What user I given? Tomcat. Tomcat, yes. See here address book. This came right. This is your application, guys. This is your application. Okay. Web server or deployment server, guys. Okay. Here our deployment server is Tomcat. Okay. Here our deployment server is Tomcat only. We are going to be add like this. Okay. In server.xml file, we are going to be add. We are going to be add port numbers and SL certificate, security alarms, and all these things. Okay. This will be taken care by admin team only, but they will ask you to add this SL certificate and all those things. These things will be added by our DevOps team only. Our DevOps team only, guys. Our DevOps team only. Okay, they will provide all these links. Okay, all these links to you. Okay, how to add it in this server.xml file only. Okay, if they need to change any web related anything, here is the file. It is available index.jsp or index.html file like that. To be changed it here in that file only. Okay. Here is the thing, guys. Tomcat also finish. Okay. Monday onwards, we are going to be discuss Jenkins and Docker and Kubernetes. We will discuss that day. Okay. On Monday. Please be practice. Okay. Please practice. Do you have any doubts, guys, up to now? Hello.
So Krishna, I have one doubt. So we have given permissions, right, for Tomcat?
Tomcat, yes.
Yeah. So if we are not providing uh, like permissions, can't we restart and can't we edit, right?
Yes. See, you cannot able to give permissions how you are going to be asked. It will be giving as a permission denied issue, right?
Okay. Okay.
That's what I given starting itself. Everything permissions. If you can see these directories also while copying and all those things. Okay. Yeah. Student. See, I given as a some permissions for this folder. Okay. I have to copy one server to another server. Same similar like that. I'm going to be add some of the users. Okay. Where I added cd con. See, I added in this tomcat user.xml file. You can see here. See here, I added here this tomcat username and password. If you cannot able to give this tomcat, it won't go to the inside tomcat web server. Okay.
Okay.
Here we are providing as a some security. See, actually, day before yesterday I showed you without security how we are going to be access application also. If you can't, you can check that video. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just that time I did not give any username and all these things. Directly I enter into this tomcat server. Directly I given as a here my artifact ID. That means address book like that I am given. I didn't given this username and all out remove. I already sorry. I didn't do all these things. I didn't add it also.
Okay.
This username and all these things. Username. Today I remove this value tag and allow tag, right? You can see.
Okay.
These are the security purpose only I given. Before that, I didn't give any this. I didn't remove this value tag, allow tag, and I didn't give any username and password like this. Directly I enter. Okay. Directly I copied. Directly I added also.
Okay. So why
Today I give.
I have this doubt, no? So we used to download Tomcat for some of the developments, but we ran directly. So that time it was not asked any
See, that
password
is a
made and
internally you are going to be accessing like that. That means you are going to be accessing this HTTP only. You are not going to be access this HTTPS.
okay, okay, okay.
Can you
I
check
got it.
once? Okay.
Okay,
See, internally, if you can do it, means that is a application server. It will be taken as a application server also.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
See, whenever you are going to be access via web through
Mm.
your application, it is called as a web server. It will be act both.
Okay, okay. Okay. Got it, Krishna. Thank you. So another doubt. So we can give read and write access, or else we can restrict it to only read and that also we can manage through these DevOps, right? This
Yes,
command.
we can give. Yes, we can give. There is a CH mode modifications will be there. See, sorry, just a minute, I will show you. So, see, for example, I came out here. See, these the full permissions I given. That means there is a three type of permissions will be there. One is user level, another one is group level, another one is other level. Okay. Here I given as a read write executive, read write executive. Now I'm going to be change this one. CH mode. Only user level I'm giving full permissions. Remaining I didn't give. This is the folder, you can see. See, it is automatically changed. This one only user level, read write executive. Okay.
Mhm.
Read write executive only. Like this, you are going to be provide. Particular user also you can provide. There is no issue.
Okay, okay.
Did you get my point?
Yeah, Krishna, I got it. Your point.
Yeah. In Linux time, I already showed you. People, please be
I was
productive.
missed those things.
Okay. Please see that. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Because basic is very important. Why Linux means you need to be understand. Because
Okay,
we are entire the thing based on the Linux commands only. We are going to be use it here. It is
okay,
not
okay,
a GUI mode. Okay.
okay, okay. So I will go through those videos, Krishna.
Okay. Please
Yeah,
check
thanks.
in
Yeah,
Linux.
thanks.
I already given this Linux notes also.
Okay, okay.
Linux I already removed it. Okay, I already given. You can take from videos and I already given these Linux notes and all these things also in Excel sheet.
Okay. Yes.
Hemlata, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
Krishna.
yeah. You not joined starting itself. I thought after a few
Yeah,
days
yeah.
only again you.
Yeah.
No problem. Okay, no problem. If you can see that those videos, if you cannot able to understand, please come to me. I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, Krishna. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Guys, any other people do you have any doubts? Hello.
No.
Mike, tell me. Hello. Mike. Oh,
No doubt.
no doubt. No. Okay. Any other guys? So I'm going to close the section. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Devi is not joined today. Okay. No problem. Okay. Okay. Please we practice tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We are going to be Jenkins. Okay. Jenkins or Docker or Kubernetes. We'll go next week onwards. Okay. Please be practice, guys. Otherwise, you will get all these doubts. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.